Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know. You all are seeing my face after a long time. It's been over a month again. If you know what was happening in my life, like मैंने पूरा मेरा situation share किया था in my earlier video. So if you've seen that, then you had an idea of what is happening. And मैंने बोला था कि my hard disk issue has been resolved, but apparently it did not get resolved. And here I am. I was struggling with it, and I was trying to edit this particular video since such a long time. I thought कब का आ गया होता, but अनफॉर्चुनेटली नहीं डाल पाई. सो या प्लीज डू शो सम लव ऑन दिस वीडियो. बहुत मेहनत लगी है इस वीडियो में. या टू मच ब्लैबरिंग डन. सो बेसिकली आई नो दिस वीडियो माइट नॉट मेक सेंस टू पुट इट आउट अभी बिकॉज नवरात्रि इज गॉन. 1 या 2 months हो गए हैं नवरात्रि को. बट आई जस्ट थॉट आई फिल्म दिस वीडियो फॉर यू गाइज, सो माइट एज वेल जस्ट पुट इट ऑन यूट्यूब एंड तुम लोग भी देखो इस वीडियो को. या सो इन टुडेज वीडियो आई एम बेसिकली शोइंग यू 9 आउटफिट्स फॉर 9 कलर्स. सो बेसिकली 9 days ऑफ नवरात्रि के 9 different looks. So मैंने पूरा ready किया है to give you guys outfit ideas that you can wear during Navratri. And I thought I'll just upload this video because this is not just restricted to Navratri. तो इसमें Indian outfit ideas है, right? And अभी the wedding season is going on. So you can just pick up any style that you liked or any outfit idea that you liked from this particular video and style it according to your way and just make it your own outfit. This will give you ideas that you can use this wedding season as well. Of course इसमें थोड़ा मैंने नवरात्रि टच डाला है, बट यू कैन जस्ट टोन इट डाउन एंड डिजाइन इट एंड स्टाइल इट अकॉर्डिंग टू द वेडिंग सीजन. So yeah, I hope this video helps you that way. And even if not that, you can always refer to this video next year. नवरात्रि हर साल आने वाला है and this video is always going to be there on YouTube. So this will definitely give you a lot of outfit ideas for different colors and all of that. So I'm super duper excited to show you guys this video. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. By the intro, you already know what type of content I make, so please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, all the skirts and dupatta ka set that you see in today's video are all from my mom's brand, which is Manzil the fashion destination. So I will put down links for all of them in the description box, so make sure to go and check that out. So if you click on the link, it will directly take you to her website where you can find all the skirts and dupatta ka set that she has. These are especially Navratri wale skirts that you can buy online from her website, so make sure to go and check that out. And yeah, बहुत बात कर ली. Now without wasting any more time, let's just dive right into the video. So the first day the color was yellow and this is the outfit that I came up with. I think this outfit looks so pretty. I love this outfit a lot. So here I've worn this yellow printed skirt and on top of that I wore this really cute one shoulder top. It's like a peplum sort of a top which has a belt which cinches you around the waist, and I think it looks so good with the skirt and puts the outfit together. And for the jewelry, I went for some western jewelry. It's a colorful necklace with a big pendant and jhumka type earrings, and it had a matching ring along with it. Jaisa pendant hai, it has the same big circular ring that I've worn on my right hand, and on my right hand I've also worn these white colorful bangles which really matches with the whole colorful vibe. And on my left hand I've added a few more rings, and I've also worn this colorful stiff bracelet, and I've also added these colorful beaded chappals which I think match so perfectly with the whole outfit. So this is the day 2 outfit as the color was green, and here I went ahead with this really pretty mirror work green ghagra, along with which I paired this ribbed green colored crop top. Yeah guys, this is a hack. If you don't have a proper choli or blouse, you can go ahead with your crop tops and you can see how cute it looks together. Then I went ahead with this colorful bandhani dupatta which has colorful pom-poms, giving that Navratri feel. And to elevate it a little bit more, I went ahead with this red colored belt which has mirrors stuck on it, and I think that gives a really Navratri feel to it. And here I went ahead with all silver junk jewelry. As you can see, I've worn this really big silver necklace which looks very good with this entire outfit. Earrings bhi meri silver hai, and on my right hand I have worn these really pretty silver bangles, and on my left hand I've worn this really big kada, and also I've added these flat colorful flats mojri type chappals hai. And yeah, that's all for this outfit. So for day 3 I went ahead with this beautiful grey colored salwar kameez. Here I haven't worn anything in my neck because मैंने दुपट्टा ही neck में पहना है. And for the jewelry I went ahead with silver jewelry again. I went with the silver earrings and मेरे दोनों हाथों में I worn silver kadas. So in the left hand is the same one that I wore in the last outfit and दूसरे हाथ में I worn this cross patti sort of a kada. And for my shoes I went ahead with these really pretty silver diamond heels. So this is my day 4 orange outfit. This outfit is a really effortless outfit. Here I've just worn this kurti which has a matching jacket to it and it has mirror work ki lace on it, so it gives that ekdam Navratri touch. And I've paired it with a pair of matching colored leggings. And for the jewelry I again just went with earrings. This is for those people who don't like to put a lot of effort but लगता है कि we've put effort. So here I went ahead with these really pretty earrings which has a red stone kind of hanging, so it matches with the whole outfit. And for my hands I went ahead with the same bangles that I wore earlier and the same thick kada on my left hand. And here I'm also wearing a few silver rings to match with it. For my shoes I went ahead with the same Mojri flats and I think this outfit also looks really put together and effortless. This is my white outfit for day 5 and I think this outfit looks so pretty. So here I've just worn this white printed skirt and uske upar I've worn a white spaghetti top, on top of which I've paired it with this really pretty pink jacket, as my skirt also has uski border mein pink color. So that's why I went ahead with this pink jacket and I think it gives ekdam Navratri vibes. And for the jewelry I went ahead with this choker necklace. It's a multicolored necklace, so it matches with my whole outfit. And for the earrings I went ahead with the same earrings जो उसके साथ थे. And for my hands I went ahead with this really cute bracelet on my left hand which matches with the neck piece that I'm wearing. It has those hangings. And on my right hand I went ahead with the same bangles that I wore earlier, and I've gone ahead with the same flats that I wore earlier. Next comes day 6 and the color here was red. So here I've worn this printed red cotton skirt, and for the top I went ahead with a black spaghetti blouse and uske upar I wore this jacket. And here I've just used a hack. So this jacket was a bit big on me, so I took a safety pin and बीच में से as you can see मैंने jacket को बंद कर दिया. So you can see it becomes like a top. So you can see my black top a little bit from inside and then the jacket on the top. I think it looks so good together. And then I again went ahead with a red belt around my waist. As you can see, it just ties the look together. And for the jewelry I went ahead with this black choker necklace and silver earrings, and on my hands I went ahead with the same silver bangles, and on my left hand I went ahead with this bracelet which has this red stone on it which matches with the outfit completely. And for my shoes I went ahead with the same colorful flats. So the color for day 7 was blue and this was my blue outfit. This is a proper chanya choli wala set that I've worn. So I've worn this really pretty shaded blue ghagra with this mirror work cream colored blouse, and uske sath I've worn this blue dupatta jo pura set hi hai, which has colorful pom-poms giving ekdam Navratri vibes. And then I've also worn the same belt again to match the whole Navratri wala vibe. And for the jewelry I went ahead with these long colorful earrings, and in my hands I just went ahead with the same bracelet that I had worn earlier on my left hand, and on my right hand I've worn this very thin silver kada. And for my shoes I went ahead with the same colorful flats. Second last day, which is the 8th day, was one of my favorite colors, pink, and this is my outfit for the color pink, and I love this outfit so much. And yeah, hawa bahut aa rahi thi, so don't mind that. So yeah, here I've worn this really pretty skirt. It's a colorful skirt but it has more of pink ka touch, so I wore it for the pink color ka day. And I've again paired it with a pink crop top, and you can see how beautifully it just blends out and western bhi nahi lagta hai. And on top of that I've worn this tie and dye dupatta. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. beautiful, and I think it matches with the skirt so nicely. And for the accessories, I went ahead with the silver necklace. एकदम गरबा वाला necklace है, which has blue stones on it. I don't know camera में दिख रहा है, but basically it matches with the outfit. And उसी के matching earrings I have worn. And in my hands I have worn the same old bangles and a kada on my left hand. And I've also added a few silver rings as well. I also went ahead with this silver hanging kind of a thing that you wear on your skirt and continued with the same colorful mojuri flats. And the last day, day 9, was the color purple. So here I've worn this purple skirt which has a heavy border at the bottom, which is the highlight of the skirt, and along with this again I have worn this tie and dye dupatta. Here I've worn this really cute black spaghetti blouse. By the way, this blouse I had worn inside that red outfit ka jacket. And for my jewelry here, I went ahead with this really long silver necklace which has black detailing on it, so you know it matches with my black blouse and just brings everything together. And uske hi matching earrings I have worn, and on my hands I have gone ahead with the same thick kada on my left hand and my silver bangles on my right hand. Also added a few rings and a kamarband kind of a thing that you only wear on one side of your kamar, this silver one, which looks so pretty. And for my chappals, I went ahead with the same chappals that I wore in my first outfit, the white colorful beaded chappals. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and you found this video helpful. Do let me know in the comment section which was your favorite outfit. And lastly, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, stay happy and stay positive. Bye!